In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up recurring invoices in Zoho Books. Start by signing into your Zoho Books account. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the Sales section and then open Recurring Invoices. This area is where Zoho Books stores invoice templates that repeat on the schedule you define, so you are creating a repeating billing setup rather than sending a one-time invoice. From there, click the plus button for New Recurring Invoice. This opens the recurring invoice form where you will enter the customer details, billing schedule, and the line items that should appear each time the invoice is generated. Begin with the customer section. Select the customer name from your existing contacts. After that, enter a profile name. This name is mainly for your own reference, so use something that helps you identify the recurring invoice later. If you use order tracking, add the order number as well. If that field is not needed for this invoice, you can leave it blank. Next, move to the repeat settings. Choose how often the invoice should repeat based on the billing cycle you need. Then set the start on date, which determines when the recurring schedule begins. After that, configure the end date if the billing should stop after a certain period, or select never expires if the invoice should continue until you manually change or stop it. Before moving on, review the payment terms so the due date behavior matches the arrangement you want for this customer. If your workflow uses extra reference details, you can add them in the next section. Enter the salesperson, choose a project, and fill in the subject if those fields apply to this invoice. These are optional in many setups, but they can help with internal tracking and reporting, especially if you manage recurring work for multiple clients or teams. Now go to the item table, add the products or services that need to appear on each recurring invoice. For each line item, enter the quantity and rate, then apply any discount if needed. Set the correct tax for each item or for the invoice as required by your settings as you add and adjust the line items. Review the invoice total to confirm that the recurring amount is correct before saving. Make sure the quantities, rates, and tax selections reflect what you want billed every time this invoice repeats. At the bottom of the form, add customer notes if you want the customer to see extra information on the invoice. You can also include terms and conditions if they need to appear with each recurring invoice that Zoho Books generates from this profile. Once everything looks correct, click Save to create the recurring invoice. Your recurring invoice is now set up in Zoho Books and ready to generate on the schedule you selected.